Hey, this is Scott Burnett. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to my kitchen. Once again, hey, when it's 97 degrees outside, middle of August here in Northwest Georgia, what's better than a bowl of homemade strawberry ice cream? I'm gonna show you how I make it. Hey, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell. Let's do all that today, but I'm gonna show you how to make this coming up. Y'all stay with us. Okay, first step, we're going to have to puree some strawberries and put them in the freezer to let them get really cold and everything. We're going to puree them with some sugar. So we got a blender. We're going to get 2 cups of strawberries, and I went in and got the frozen strawberries here. So, because the normal strawberries at the grocery store didn't look good. That's 2 cups, 2 liquid cups. Be 2 cups. I'm gonna go 3. I want it really strawberry in this. Strawberry ice cream is good with a lot of strawberries. All right, let me grab something real quick. Sorry about that. All right, we need a half a cup of sugar. So we'll have a half a cup of sugar in the berries, and the recipe for this will be down in the description below. But we'll go ahead and get a half a cup of sugar, and then we'll have a full cup in the milk mixture. So, all right, put the lid back on that. Put that back over here. And we'll go ahead and play some music or something instead of this, because this is going to be loud. So we're going to go ahead and puree this up. Okay, strawberry puree in the freezer, and now we'll start on the milk mixture. Okay, so now we have the strawberries in the freezer. We have 3 cups pureed with a half cup sugar, and I went ahead and put 2 cups of just normal strawberries in there with them. So they're going to get good and cold. And if you can get everything cold, it helps. I put the tub in the freezer already to get it cold. We got rock salt and everything else. The heavy cream that I'm going to put in, it's cold. All right, so we're going to start out with 6 cups of whole milk in this saucepan. And we're going to start warming it up. So I'm going to go ahead and start doing that right now. Oh, I smell the milk. It's good. And I'll add 6 cups. And there's our 6 cups of milk, and we'll hear a dog thumping in the background. So we'll put that on a, let me turn that water off so you can hear me. Go ahead and put it on a, almost a medium heat, you know, medium low. And go ahead and put that back in the refrigerator. All right. Okay, as we're getting the milk almost hot, I mean, to where it will coat a spoon, what we want to do. Because what we're going to do, we're going to temper some egg yolks. So I have 5 eggs here, and I'm going to get the yolks from them, just regular brown eggs from Kroger. Right now, I'll go ahead and put 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. I'll go ahead and put that in the milk. This is just my own recipe. You can tweak this to whatever you want. That's what I have done. All right, put the lid back on this so I don't make a mess. Much of a mess. All right, let's put a cup of sugar in there so it'll be good and dissolved. Good. A half cup. Another half cup. All right. And something I like doing, I've seen somebody else doing, put a pinch of salt in there, so we'll, just a little bit. We'll go ahead and get that sugar dissolved. Next thing, I'll go ahead and separate the eggs. So, all right, let's go ahead and separate the eggs. Okay. No, that's a bad joke. Okay. Go ahead and do that. Let me move this out the way. All right. I need something else here, huh? What else I need? I need this. I need this. There we go. Takes 2 bowls to separate eggs. There we go. We'll get all 5 of these going. And I know there are better ways to do this. It's just the way I've always done it, so. A little one. Illegal. Gotta make sure there's no shell or anything else in there. Oh, can't believe I did that. There we go. All 5. More of that just made a mess. Okay. All right, so we'll set these out of the way and wait on the milk to get hot. Okay, been sitting here with the milk warming it up, trying to get good and warm. Got a little steam coming off of it. Let's see what we got here. Almost. We'll give it another minute. Okay, this ought to be good enough for what we're doing here, so let's try it here. It's coating back in the spoon. Give it a stir. Yep, that'll work. Okay. That'll work. All right, let's turn that off. Let's bring the eggs over here. Got a whisk. And what we're going to do, we're going to temper the eggs. We're going to put a little bit of this hot milk mixture in here really slowly so we don't make scrambled eggs. So, you need 3 hands, but we're going to do it. As you can see, I am left-handed, so this is a trial. So, alright, I think we're good. I don't see any lumps or any chunks, no nothing. Really good. Alright, turn the heat back on this. And we'll slowly put that back in here. That did just what I wanted it to. Okay. Good deal. Alright. Clean my mess up. Alright. Good deal. Alright. We'll bring this back up to heat for just a second. And then we're going to put it in this bowl right here. This is pink for strawberries today. So, and then we'll put it in the freezer. Give it 20-30 minutes. And then we'll be ready to make ice cream. So we'll come back when we're at that stage right there. Okay, it's been about 30 minutes. We've let everything chill. Put this in here so I don't mess it. We'll go ahead and try to scoop some of this and put it in here. So we've got the milk mixture, the strawberries have been pureed, and the frozen strawberries and sugar, and heavy whipping cream. Everything's good and cold. So we'll go ahead and get it so we can get it in the churn. So. Oh Lord, I'm trying not to make a mess with it here. There we go. We get it. Let me think this through. I'm glad this is really good stuff, or I'd worry about making a mess. All right, so we're going to take the heavy whipping cream, pull a little hickey out of it. Oh, didn't it? Can't believe I just did that. Okay. Yep, it's good. All right. put the mixing paddle in there. And now we'll add the strawberries. You know you're on camera when you start making a mess with it, so try this way. Oh my goodness, look at all that. That is some strawberry goodness. Alrighty. This is ready to go in the churn. I'll put this in here. And I'll bring you back when I've got all the ice and the salt and everything, and we'll get it going. Be right back. Okay, got it filled full of ice and some rock salt. Motor's running real good, so in about 30-35 minutes, we ought to have some ice cream. Y'all stay with us. All right, we're done. I unplugged it. Oh yeah, made a full churn here. I'm gonna put the lid on this and we'll wash the salt water off. Good deal. All right. I hope that's as good as it looks. It sure looks good. I'm gonna try it a little bit. We'll see what that tastes like here. Oh man. Oh man, that's good. Well, I'll end it right here. I gotta get Tanya a bowl of it, and then I'm gonna go swimming with Gretchen. And I mean, look at that. You can see the strawberries and all that stuff. Oh man, that's good stuff. Anyway, appreciate you showing up to the channel. Appreciate you watching. Leave me a comment if you like it or not. I don't care. It's just this is fun to do. And y'all have a blessed day. And we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Oh, man, that's good.